Welcome back to the channel. Cold Sunday evening. Bone chilling cold. Bone chilling. Went and did some breaks. And man, the second time I done breaks and breaks and rotors on both sides in 15 minutes or less. You know, cause it's just that cold where you moving your upper body, basically moving your hands and your arms, but you ain't really moving much of nothing else. So you like, yeah, I gotta stay warm, you know. So I jacked it up real quick. Use my impact gun. Got the lugs. Oh fuck that! That wind just blew. That wind just blew. Nope. Oh shit. Oh shit. That wind just blew. But man, they done front brakes and rotors and in 15 minutes. And one side done in about 6-7 minutes. All the boats played nicely. Came out nicely. I wasn't playing. I wasn't really trying to be out working on no cars. But hey, it was money to be made. It was some type of money to be made. So, fuck it. Had to do what I had to do. You know. But man, woo! And tomorrow's supposed to be 5 degrees. Man, fuck that. I ain't working on no cars tomorrow. No. Not working on no cars tomorrow. Man, it was just bone chilling cold. It's so cold. Earlier when I left out, my car had been sitting about 2 hours. You know, I got in the car and I just felt the coldness for about. I got the heat on blast, car blows great heat. I was just feeling the coldness, and it don't help that my center console is like what, sheet metal or something at the front. And man, that thing was cold. It don't help, but man, that coldness, bro, that coldness, is what really got it. But yeah, so I'm through for the night. I'm done. Sunday, I'm chilling. I can't catch y'all in the next video. As always, stay positive, stay blessed, like, comment, subscribe.